Daniel Kariuki, KTN News.
Away from that developing story, the Kenya Meteorological Department has said that most parts of the country will continue to experience moderate to heavy rainfall for the next week. In a statement on Friday, the weatherman said that the regions mostly affected fall within the southern half of the country, while the north and North Kenya will have a dry spell. But even as the Meteorological Department warned, heavy rainfall hit several parts of the country Friday evening, leaving Kenyans stranded. In Nairobi, Kenyans were forced to use alternative ways after floods rocked the central business district. Scenes captured, what you're seeing on your screen now, showed Nairobians walking barefooted, while others paid trolley owners to cross the floods. Wow, that's just a snippet of what we